Hello, traders. It's Andy from Trade Ideas. It is October 31st. Happy Halloween and spooky market we have here. We did see a little bit of a bounce yesterday, but boy, the headwinds above us. The 420 is now back into being a resistance level with all the downward sloping moving averages that we have. So we could see a bounce maybe over the next day or two into this level. Need to watch and see if we can get back above that 200-day. But anyway, yeah, I don't feel like you have to do anything. I say this over and over. Cash can be a position, but let's take a look. We're going to take a look at some setups. But like I said, boy, I'm in very little right now. It's very small size. All right, so a couple of insurance companies on the list today. The UNH. Setting up nicely there. You can see it's had earnings a couple of weeks ago. Pulled back to this 20-day and now is trying to bounce off of it, close above this fast line. We call it the 10-period moving average. Another one is, let's see, which one is Allstate. Let's pull up Allstate here in a very similar looking pattern with all the algos in the system these days. You do get these sectors that look very similar to each other. All right, let's take a look at BHVN. This has been kind of levitating up here now for a while. I still got a price alert in there. You really would like it for it to clear that 28.72 level, but I like to put a price alert a little early. One other, I see a couple of big ones. Keep an eye on Microsoft after earnings, pulled back, held its 20-period bouncing, and another one is Netflix. Keep an eye on Netflix, holding up above all its moving average as well. All right, keep it tight. Don't feel like you have to do anything, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.